My name is Magati. Comrades power! Comrades power! We are comrades. It's like coming next year, the freshers, they may drop out of the school because of the help sector. This university, our parents are suffering so much. Some of us come from papalism backgrounds where there is no nothing. When they say the new method of the help, we just say no to it as the comrades. Yeah, because it's a burden to us and burdens to parents.
My name is Kevin Emapas, the Academic Secretary, Kenya TVET Students Association. Comrades power! Comrades power! Yet that if they don't want to help us, let them tell us that we don't have help, instead of cheating us that apply for help, and then at the end of the day, we don't get that money. Up to date, we have most of the comrades that they have deferred, and some of them have been forced to go back home because they don't have money. And these people are coming from humble background.
If there is somehow delay of the help, we want to make appeal that let us have work opportunities as young people, and we want to reduce the school fees. Because you can't tell me that per semester we are paying 70,000.
And then maybe ending with this, I'll only request that let the government talk to the student leaders to help them, those needy students, for bursaries, not themselves to allocate their own people bursaries, because we are not for that.
It is very unfair if the university in Kenya are always adjusting the school fees without the knowledge of the common comrades. Our knowledge should be included.
My name is Dr. John Garuya. The financing model that is there currently is a total no across board. We are saying two things. At least the government to go back to the old financing model, at least.